Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can send Robux to your friends in 2025, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in our application in desktop. So here you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, it will open the creator dashboard for you, and you just need to be logged in here. Once you come over here, in that place you just need to be go to the dashboard. Once you come over that place, you will find out the creation options. Just click over here creations. Once you come over here, then you will find out a couple of options that you will get here, but right now I have one that is Teddy, so I'll click on this one. Once I click over here, then here you just need to be scroll down before you find it out the passes options. Once you find it out, then you just need to click over here. So under the monetization options, you will find out the passes. So here you just need to click this one. Once you click over here, now you are able to create a pass. So you just need to click over here and then give a name that will be the game pass, and then you can provide a demo for your friend who you want to share so they can read this description. Then click create pass. Once you click over here, the pass will be created and the current price is off sale. So here you just need to go over here again and then go to the sales, and here you just need to provide your Robux here. So here you can provide any actions, like I'm going to give 500, and then I'll just click to the save change and click on process, and it will be processed. Now if I come over that place again, come back to that one, and here you just need to can see the current price. So you just need to be copy the link. Once you copy the link, and now you just need to be send it to your friend who you want to give the Robux. This is the easiest process. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.